A social worker from the Child Protection Agency has just told you they have serious concerns about your children's care and safety. They've decided to take your children from school and put them into foster care until you can make things better at home. What can you do? What do you need to know? Who can help you? My name is Sam Moreau. I'm a lawyer with Nova Scotia Legal Aid. I'm going to help you understand what is happening to you, why it's happening, and how you can help yourself. There is hope. You are not powerless. You can regain some control of your home life. You can make a difference. With this video and the information in the booklet that came with it, with the help of a lawyer and the right attitude, you can work towards getting your children back if they have been taken, or keep them if your family is being supervised by an agency social worker. As she speaks to the parents, their kids are being taken out of school and put into protective care. The social worker is here to serve them with a document called a Notice of Taking Into Care. She will explain why and tell them what happens next.
We have serious concerns for the safety of your children. Police and members of the community are telling us that there's often screaming and fighting in your home. They also tell us that there's drug and alcohol use, as well as domestic violence. We're concerned about the effect that this has on little Emma and Jason. They also tell us that the children are often left unsupervised. When you read these court papers, you will no doubt have concerns, but read them anyway. I've been here before. We've tried to work with you on a voluntary basis. We've put in counseling and other services, but you did not participate. And you didn't do anything on your own to make the situation any better. We continue to hear from members of the community.
Who told you that? That's bull.
Brad, don't.
Look, we both work. We have jobs, okay? We don't have time for all that stuff.
Brad, Tanya, when it comes to the health and safety of your children, their needs have to come first.
Where are you taking my children? Can't they stay with my sister?
If there is a relative who can care for your children, that would be good, and we will look into that. We're going to court in the next 5 days, and we're going to ask that the court keep your children in foster care until the situation improves. We will also be asking the court to order services such as counseling for you both.
When can we see our kids again?
We will arrange for a visit schedule. We have to talk about court next week. This is known as a 5-day initial court appearance, and it will only last 15 minutes. I have to go right now, but you will be notified of the dates and times that you will have to be in court.
Brad, you heard what she said. We need to try. I need my children back. I want to do whatever it takes to get them back.
I'm sure a lot of this is difficult for you to absorb right now. Start by facing the situation right away. You can make a difference in how all of this turns out in the end. Ask the agency for services you need. You may not understand everything in the papers the social worker gave you. You may not even agree with them. The first thing you should do is get a lawyer right away. Contact Nova Scotia Legal Aid or call Dial a Law or Lawyer Referral. More instructions and contact information are in the booklet that came with this video. Do it now.
We have to do this. We should read the papers and the booklet. And we have to get a lawyer. They told us to call legal aid. I need my children. I want to do whatever it takes to get them back.